Hi, I'm Little Crazy, and welcome to another episode of Gear Up Chale. Okay, so today we are going to unbox the DJI Air 2S. Now, you know what I always say, don't ever go for the standard version. Now, this one here is the Fly More combo. Now, the Fly More combo, what it comes with is it comes with 2 extra battery, extra propellers here. You get a bag, and then you have the ND filter. So before we open this box, a quick one. This is a 1-inch sensor, 10-bit color, and this record 5.4K resolution. Nice, DJI, that's dope. Flight time is again 31 minutes. That's what it gives you. It has active tracking and obstacle avoidance. Okay, where's my unbox knife? It's right here. Let's open this box. Here we go. Alrighty, now come out here, G. Come out. Okay. Oh, it has this thing here. Okay, beautiful box out of the shop. I just love how DJI always do it. Boom, there you go. It's just the bag. Okay, let's put that on the side. And what comes in here? Manual. And then your accessory box. Read it when you got time. And then, boom, yeah, it's the bag. Just like the Mini, everything right here in this beautiful bag. And let me say the quality of the bag is very good. That's why I always say, always get a Quick combo or the Fly More combo. You get all these extra goodies. Okay, so before we open this one here, let's have a look at what is in this accessory box. DJI, what did you include here? Alrighty. And on here, out of the shot. Oh yeah, a lot of manual. Okay, so in here, you have your USB-C, and then, oh wow, oh, that's a lot of propellers here. Talking total here, and then, ooh, this one here is the ND filter. Here is the micro USB to USB-C. This one here is just it's a straight USB-C, and this one here is USB-C to USB-C to USB-C. You see, that's what I love about DJI. They include all this dongle. You don't have to go and buy. Apple, learn something. 2 extra thumbsticks here. That's what you get in the accessory box. Okay, so the propellers, I can see here, this is A and this is B, right? So they're not the same. 6A and 6B, that's what you get. Let's open this beautiful out. Okay, so wow, the quality of the bag is fantastic. This is the bag for the Mini. Quality is the same, just this one is much more bigger, right? Because it's a bigger drone. Ooh, look at here. All right, okay. Wow, now this drone is big. And what do we have here? Oh, accessory. Another accessory box. You know what? I always like to take everything out of the box. Here is the controller, and here I think that will be the charging, the dock, to dock all the battery. Okay. Spin that. Yeah, I'm right. Yes, this one here, we'll come back to this. All right. So the controller, it's just like the controller for the Mini, the same launching here. Yeah, it's your antenna, and then it always comes with the lightning cable pre-installed. So this is a USB Type-C to a lightning. It's always pre-installed. And ooh, this is the thumbstick here. So see, that's what I love about DJI. It's the extra thumbstick. They're right here, right? Okay, all right. So that's the remote control. So in the accessory box, what we have here in the accessory box is battery, 2 extra battery, and So this one comes with a charging brick, so you don't charge it with a USB-C cable, and then your power. Yeah. Okay, so that's what it comes with. The battery is heavy. Okay, so this is a docking station for the battery. You dock the battery in here. It's always good to get the the fly mode combo, because then you'll be able to fly much more longer. Because if you get a standard one, it just comes with only one single battery, and trust me, when you're flying this drone here, the battery just run out quickly. Even though the flight time is 31 minutes, trust me, you have to wait a very long time to charge your battery. So yeah. So this is the 2 extra battery that it comes with, because the third battery is already pre-installed here in the drone. Okay, so with this little adapter here, right, if you don't fly, if you don't really fly a lot of the drone most of the time, what you can do is that this little adapter, you can clip it here and then plug your USB cable here and charge your phone, right? So battery bank for you. Fantastic. DJI, that's kudos. And then the docking station to charge. And here is the drone. Yeah, okay, so this is good, right? Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so the build quality, dope. And this is a bigger, it is a bigger drone. I mean, the battery is bigger, right? So it's a battery for the the Mini. Compared to that, oh yeah, indeed. Alrighty. So as you can see here, this is the obstacle avoidance sensor, right? It comes with 4 here in the front, 2 in the back, and 2 down low. So that is 6 in total, right? The Mavic, it comes with 2 at the front, 2 in the back, and 2 down low. This one here comes total of 6. It doesn't have on the side, it doesn't come any on the side. So make sure when you're flying your drone, you don't fly that way against obstacles, because it's not going to avoid them, it's going to crash, right? So make sure you fly this way or backwards. Yeah, so the reason why it comes with the these 2 extra obstacle avoidance sensors at the top is because if you are flying the drone, then you pitch forward, it can avoid obstacles. So that's the reason why. So this is good. I mean, this is very thoughtful of DJI, and I see the build quality is very good. Okay, let's get the plastics out of the way. Okay, so this is the cover for the gimbal. This is built of aluminum, right? Yeah, this is not plastic like the Mini. 1-inch sensor, and it's 20 megapixels. This is very good. And the battery just come out. Just unclip the battery from here. Here is your USB Type-C. Now, this is not for charging the battery, because this is the docking station to charge the batteries. Here's for the computer. If you don't want to remove your SD card, because the SD card goes in here. Your micro SD card goes in here. So if you have your micro SD card in there and you don't want to remove your micro SD card to transfer the footage to the computer, what you can do is that you just plug it in here. Right, you plug the drone USB Type-C into your computer, and then you transfer every single thing from the drone to your computer. It doesn't come with the propeller mount. So what you're going to do is 2A and 2B. Here, the propellers, they have this orange marking here, also on the drone. So you just have to match the orange to the orange. And then the B, it doesn't have, it's just black. And you can see this side of the drone, this is black, so you just have to clip it in. You can only clip it in one direction. If you're trying to twist it the wrong way, it's not gonna go, right? So you just twist it the other way, and then the black, you just match it to them, then you twist it. All right, boom, our drone is ready. To turn it on, you just push the button here. 1, 2. It's not gonna power on. Why? Because I need to charge this. Right, let me see the remotes always come with juice, but the drone don't. So I'll have to charge it. Okay, so just a quick one. This is the optical avoidance sensors that it comes with. 2 here at the front, 2 at the back, and 2 below. 1-inch sensor, it's 20 megapixels, it's 10-bit color. Flight time is 31 It comes with variable ND filter, and this one is ND4, 8, 16, and 32. All you have to do is you hold and you twist it anti-clockwise, and you take the one it comes with. And this is aluminum, right? Ooh, the build quality is dope. And then you put this one in, and then you clip it in place. And there you go. I just gave it the ND4 filter. Yeah, when it's always necessary to get that. The ND filters, the Mini don't come with any of them, so you just have to buy them separately. From day one, you want to fly, get an ND filter, because this is very necessary. It makes your shot looks good. Okay, so this is just the unboxing of the DJI Air 2S. I'm going to do a flight test, and that will be another video. Thanks once again for joining me on this episode of Gear Up Chale and on Questi Tech Space. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new episode. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Chale, medase. Yeah.